5. What you can do to become a fluent speaker? First, immerse yourself, then listen, then write, then read. So number 5 you can do, that is think in English. No matter where you are, you can go outside, you can be on the way, you can be at your home. Describe all the things that the word meaning that you know. Describe all the things in yourself. You don't have to speak aloud if it's not possible. If possible, try to speak aloud and describe the whole thing and think in English. Whole day you have to think, like while you're writing, while you're reading, while you're eating, while you're walking on the way. Try to describe what's happening beside you. So do whole things. So this way you can be better in English. Describe as well as think. So these 5 things, if you do in your life, I can give you guarantee you can be a fluent speaker and nobody can stop you. Only you can. So be remember, immerse yourself, listen, write, and read, and think, and also observe as well as describe. This whole thing make you be a fluent speaker.